Feeling gas, guys. Late fishing. Oh. What I'm doing here, I don't know. Oh shit, man. What the fuck? This is really slippery, guys. We'll see if we can get some fish. Oh, I got a fish. Oh shit. Oh, I got a fish. It's fish. It's fish. We have something in common with this tree. Super duper quiet. And maybe we can get moved. Looks like it's small cat. So the size. It's the size of indoor cat. Feeling gas, guys. Late fishing in this season. Almost the last day before closing.
Hello, can we help you?
It's the fishing in the mountains. It's just nice. It's like it's already minus 15. Oh yeah, guys, look at this pool. It's minus 15. I'm not kidding, guys. It's really cold. Like the 15 degree. Yeah. And this is river. As you can see, super duper fresh. And I'm the one for the long time who gonna fish here. And I'm gonna touch this pool right here. We'll see if we can get some fish. Oh my god, it looks so fishy. And we have another one over there. I'm gonna go there too. So we have two pools. Fast quick fishing between the fishing. Okay, I'm gonna use small streamer I bought yesterday. Looks like fish. And let's try. Yeah, I have a hit. I have a hit. Oh, I have a hit, guys. Oh, no kidding, eh? Yeah. Oh my god, I always push myself through some stuff, eh? What I'm doing here, I don't know. Fishing. Fishing. Oh, I got a fish. Oh shit. No kidding. Okay. Another split shot, guys. Looks like it's not enough. Okay. Over here. Okay. Look at this, guys. Look at this pool. Oh shit, man. Holy shit. Oh yeah. This is really slippery, guys. It just almost flew out. Oh shoot, man. So woo, need to be careful. So I haven't gonna change a little bit my lure. I'm gonna put big streamer. I put the small one, so I put the big one. Same color, but just the big one. Okay. Okay. Don't go anywhere. Holy shit. guys, I'm still trying to catch fish. Oh my god. I wish I can reach this spot, but I can't. Look, I need weathers. I don't want to wear weathers because I'm not gonna stop here. I'm wondering if I can fish those spots. Probably not. Fuck. Okay guys, welcome to another episode. Oh, it's fancy. Look. Nice. Could be even fish, you know. And those one, deep one, see? I'm gonna try too. Boom, bitty, boom, bitty, boom. What the fuck? What the hell is that? Me too. Haha. We have something in common with this tree. Almost the last day of fishing in this season. Most of the river in Alberta and the national park. And of course, I'm forcing my spot where I was luck. So this is the one when I got my bull, the huge one. And the second time I got him. So just today I mentioned it is too low the water, so I probably can't even see the fish when she attacked, because the previous time, the second time, I didn't post it yet. So the previous time it was super high because of rain. Let's go and try to catch some fish. And I'm gonna open also different area today. This is where I'm gonna fish all day. Get a fish. Oh, I got a fish. Yes. Yeah. Oh, nice. Nice. Bull throw. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Okay, buddy. Look. Oh, my God. Don't go down. No. Don't go down. Okay. Oh, whoa. Whoa. That's much smaller than I had before, but it's fish. It's fish. Come on, man. Oh, this is a 100% bull throw. Look at this fish. Look at this. Come to Papa. Come on, buddy. Come on. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you any. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my God, he's so cute. Oh my God, he's so cute. Okay, thank you so much for your cooperation. Because I have a barbless, everything's super fast. Put him in the water. Oh yeah. You have to make your hands wet and watch around the cougars. And then after you can show people fish. Beautiful fish. Nice bull throw, guys. Nice guy. Thank you so much. Look at his face. Okay, man, now you're gonna be fine. I'm gonna give you away. You're gonna go. Okay, you're gonna be fine. Let me know when you're ready, eh? Let me know when you're ready, man. Let me know. Okay, he's so powerful. Yeah, I think I can already release him. Yeah, right there. Beautiful. Just beautiful fish. So nice. Oh my god, I'm happy again. They're smaller, smaller, smaller every time, but this is bull throw, I think, or laker. Looks like bull, but face of laker. I'm not sure, but anyway, this fish is awesome. I'm gonna try to cast a little bit more, and then maybe I can get the bigger fish. Oh my god. Just, oh my god. Oh my god. It's just the fishy spot. I hope I have a fish there so I can catch them. How can I pick up fish if I catch them? This is another question. See, guys? It's already 3 spots and nothing. Just one left. I'm gonna try another one. I'm gonna wear my waders. Everything gonna be sexy. And we're gonna catch some fish. Maybe. Yeah. See you soon. Yeah. So as you can see, there's the one river coming out, and another river comes from the mountains over there. So I'm not sure what is the name of this river, but I'm pretty sure I'm allowed to fish there. I think it's a dry fish here better. Maybe nice rainbow or brown. This looks like pool, but it's not pool. Yeah, so I don't know about you guys, but I'm changing spot. I'm going check. See? People prints. People prints. You know? We have a Prince nymph, but this is people prints. Kinda different. Whew, it's cold, I'm tired. Okay guys, as the last day of fishing, I expect a little bit better, but one of my best days still, because I have a huge bull throw and I was happy to search for new spots. It's not like every single spot they have a fish, right? So sometimes you're lucky, sometimes not. So thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe on my channel. My subscribers going up, up, up. I like it so much, and yeah, see you guys already on the ice. Bye-bye.